Charlie. Oh, you gonna try to do it with a square? Okay. Let me see what he gonna do. Got that Marlboro. He gonna try to see if he can smoke that Marlboro and make a full clean pass.
I gotta figure out how to turn it on first.
Press the button, I think, on the chassis.
You say you're looking for a charger?
Yeah, I just need one USB-C.
I got a cord in my car.
Okay.
You got a place to plug it in?
Yeah.
There should be a, sorry.
It's my new device, man. This thing here. This so I could be able to get on the airplane and take the backpack. I'm gonna need something to keep it on. That's what I'm gonna have to use. I'm gonna have to use with the plug. I tried to get one to where this would work. I couldn't get that to work, and I couldn't get one out the USB to work. So I had to get me something to just get plugged up and make that thing work.
That's cool.
That's it.
You need your fanny packs, what you need.
Yeah, I got that backpack over there. I don't know. This big old, it ain't got back cool now. I was gonna have to come out of this, but I'm all right now. Cause we standing in the shade. Yeah, okay, this here a good car, y'all. I almost picked the thing up and turned it over for him, y'all. They say Charlie got that smoke going. He about to scoot through this track.
I started overthinking it from the I should have done what I was thinking, which was this.
Which looked like a better method.
It was. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, he got that square, that cigarette, man. That's for concentration. Y'all don't know nothing about that. He taking a break while he doing this. Okay. Yeah, he doing that. Ooh, can he cut it enough? Boy, he dangerous.
I see this.
Let me see it too. He just gonna do it anyway.
Where's the next gate?
Over the bridge. You gotta. Man, he gonna have to back up. You gotta back up. Hey, look out. Ask Gavin if it's legal to run rear steering as well. Yes.
In this class, no.
Oh, damn. Not in this class.
This competition 4x4 class, it's four-wheel drive with steering. That's it. There's no like accessories, no rear steer, no dig, no motor on axle. The cars have to have a transmission.
Damn, all these rules.
But this is the simplest class, the driver class, because everybody has the same thing. They have four-wheel drive and steering. When you get into the other classes with the rear steer and all those gadgets, those things are crutches to help you get through the course. So in this class, it's all up to the driver who can drive the car the best.
They'll be mad at me. If I was to be creative, I'd have me a little propeller on my shit. Turn my shit to a helicopter when I get in trouble.
You have all the LEDs.
Yeah, I'll be LED down.
The width is the only difference I can ever see. But that's it.
I'm gonna see you with the RC car with the gimbal on it, you driving around the Dragon.
Yeah. Okay, come on, he doing this thing.
What's his time at? About halfway? Yeah. Halfway through time.
Ooh, don't get in that hole, man. Everybody done jumped in that hole.
If it'll reverse back out.
Ah!
Nice.
Yeah, you might well try, man, while it's messed up.
Like I said,
just watch out for that gate. You're a little
there it come.
There you go.
It's gonna give me 10 no matter if I hit it or repo, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh.
So now don't reposition.
Oh.
This is the strategy right here, I think.
Shove that sidewall in and maybe just turn. Yeah.
Man, he doing it anyway though, y'all. They said that was a clean save.
Yeah, it was. It's the cigarette.
Yeah, that cigarette, I told y'all. That Marlboro help you think.
Oh, he hit the gate. You freaking gassed it. Thought he had it. Don't hit the other one. Well, if he
That's
hits the
the
other
Marlboro, y'all.
one. Oh my goodness. So he's got one more reverse chat until he takes that one reverse he points out.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Not looking good.
So I said that Marlboro got magical powers.
There you go.
Don't worry about
Oh!
it. That one's already gone.
Man, he got two wheels on one rock, the other two on another rock.
There you
No
go.
way, dude.
Ah!
No, don't land.
Ah.
That was close, y'all.
Man,
We were rooting for you.
you make me want to squirt, man. I don't even smoke cigarettes.
I still had quite a few games.
I got a little
Hey, keep driving it.
You got a vape, man? Man, I ain't, man. What's called? Where he at? He got a bad motherfucker. I'm still probably, I'm focused on that thing already.
done well.
Heck yeah.
There we go. Edmundo's
Oh, we got one more? Oh, okay, here we go. This the last one? Oh, Gavin legs. I'm tired of his perfect scoring, man. Man, they done got a clip of him. Look,
Let me see this.
with that Marlboro.
Oh, that's golden, chat.
Look. Oh, yes. Got that square. That's that Marvin. All right. We got a Pro Tree light.
Turn around. Yeah, go right and reposition, I think. Yep.
Yeah. And I seen somebody cheating come up this side. Worked good for him. Let me see if you can do it.
That's the line.
Okay. Bam. Yeah, I gave him that cheat code. Okay, he climbing up there. Let me see if he got them wheel cutting skills. Ooh, it look like he might. Ooh, it look like it got enough. Yeah, it do got enough. Ooh, he made it cut through there, y'all. Ooh, it look like he can make it again.